Welcome everyone to Old Man Wisdom. It's a Friday, the 22nd of October 2021. We're going to review this week's market activity on the EURUSD, see where the market has gone and what we can expect for it next week. So this blue marker here indicates where the market began this week. The market's opened on the 17th of October and made a small push down and then moved right the way up, breaking through our multi-time frame moving average and bouncing around at the top. So initially last week I told everyone that I was looking to sell the market and hoping for a push up to the top of the moving average. This did happen, but then I needed it to come down and give me a sell signal on the MACD. That never happened, so it pushed through and above, price went above the moving average, and then we was looking for a buy signal from the MACD. So we was looking for a buy signal on the MACD once price went above the moving average, and this just never happened. However, earlier today on Friday, I thought for a moment we was going to get the buy signal. If it went under this 3 pip mark and back above it, we would have got a buy signal, but it just hasn't quite happened yet. It's very close to happening, but with just a couple of hours left on the market before it closes on Friday, it's unlikely we're going to get a buy signal. Obviously, I've got my eyes peeled and I'm going to be waiting, but it's unlikely we'll get a buy signal this late on a Friday now. So what can we expect for next week? If we just zoom out, we'll see that this week we've had no signals. Last week we had a buy signal but didn't take it because price was under the moving average. But now price is over the moving average. Next week we will be looking to buy the market. So I'm hoping that price will come down and bounce off of the moving average, then go back up slightly. We'll get a buy signal from the MACD and we can put our stop loss just underneath. So that's what I'm hoping happens. Of course, no one can say for sure what the market will do. It's in many ways completely out of our hands, but that's what I'm hoping for the EURUSD next week. I'm still going to be looking to buy the market. So let's see what happens. I must say to fellow traders out there, you need to be very patient when it comes to trading Forex. And I've recently commented on one of my posts that a trader once told me that we need to have a good reason to enter a trade and of course a good reason to exit a trade. So you don't have to use the MACD to buy the market next week. That's just what I use. But if you do enter the market, if you do buy the EURUSD next week, make sure you have a really good reason for doing so. Don't just blindly buy the market because you think it's at a good price. You need to have a reason for doing it. So please be careful. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and until the next one, take care and of course, happy trading.